We had a concert with Acel right before the pandemic hit. Like after a week or two, the country was shut down. And we were so scared kasi parang we had no idea what COVID was before. Half of the audience were wearing masks. Tapos, if you remember that moment, parang, what do we do? Do we still continue? Do we wear masks while singing? Pero during that time, we pulled through. We hung on to our faith and each other with si Acel also. Continued the show. Also with Direk Paulo. And mas naging meaningful kasi nga nung nag-shutdown na nag-COVID, all entertainment was labeled non-essential. Parang all singers, parang, sorry, you're non-essential. Diyan muna kayo. Sad, that hurt a lot. So, talaga we really gave it our all in that show. And then buti na nagkaroon ng mga live shows, online shows after that. Lahat kami nag-video ng green screen, lahat kami bumili ng ring light. Pero push pa rin. So even if we were labeled non-essential, now we're just gonna keep on creating art and inspire and fundraise or whatever we need to do. Because, sorry my brother, jump in ka lang. Because the soul needs feeding also.
Ano nga ba yung question?
Memorable na concert na collaboration. I think nag-stick din sa akin is yung Champions talaga kasi sabay kami nag-grow lahat eh. Kasi yun yung parang nag-uumpisa pa lang kami tapos sabay namin natutunan yung mga bagay-bagay sa industry. Sabay kami nag-grow together when we started.